Hola Amigas and Amigos. In this video, we go visit the farmer's market in the town of Cruz de Huanacaxtle. Afterwards, we head to Bucerias to the copper bar to grab some food, which is located in a romantic zone of Bucerias. And finally, after that, we head back to our condo and I set up the drone and I do some video shots of the town of Bucerias. In the previous video, we flew on a Walt Disney Magic plane from Ep11, Alberta to Puerto Vallarta, Jalisco. My name is Manny, and join me and Mrs. Malacon while we stay in the beautiful town of Bucerias, Mexico. Sit back and enjoy the video. Ya vámonos! Hola amigos, Malacon Manny here. Beautiful Bucerias, Mexico. On top of the future Palapa roof at the copper bar. And just a fantastic meal here. Just some wings and some beers, cervezas, and highly recommended. I'll show you a picture of the wings that we had, and yeah, this Palapa bar, if you can see it, should be ready in a couple of months. Just fine-tuning it, and there's a couple other Palapas around. So, and it looks like a beautiful condo they're building there, facing the Bay of Banderas. So, hey, if you're ever in town, it's right on the main drag here. It's called the Copper Bar. Highly recommend it. Good atmosphere. Not very busy, especially with what's happening here with the COVID thing, right? So, yeah, check her out and talk to you soon. I'll leave you a couple pictures of the menu and the meal I had with Mrs. Malacon. Take care. On the way back to Bucerias, we decided to try the local bus transportation. I didn't get any videos or pictures of the bus that we used, but it kind of looked like this one. But ours did have a tires and a motor in it. And it got us back safely. Just saying. Early the next morning. sunrise about to come up right now. Sorry, just got up myself, so